Okay, here's a math loop puzzle for you to solve. Around each number there's 4 dots. So around the 0 you would connect no dots. Around the 1 you could connect the dots on the right side, the top, the left, or the bottom of the 1. If you have a 2, you can connect 2 parallel lines on either side, or 2 parallel lines on the top and the bottom. Or you could do a bottom right corner or a top left corner with a 2. And a 3 would have this shape ending the closed loop, and a 4 would create a closed loop in itself. So the object of the game is to make lines, and then they have to eventually connect back up onto themselves. So it could create a shape like that, or something like, as long as it's a closed loop, as long as this line is able to reconnect with itself. A closed loop, that's the correct solution. So pause the video, write this out, or take a screenshot with your phone and you can write on your phone screen and solve the puzzle. So let's solve it here. Pause the video, solve it. So here's a quick solution, and then I'll go through how to really solve it. So this is going to be the path that the closed loop is following. So that's going to be our closed loop. So with the zeros, you would have no lines around them. So we know there's no lines there. And around any of the zeros, so around this 0, there's no lines connecting those 4 dots. Around these 2 zeros, there's no lines connected around those, and also these zeros. So we know there's going to be no lines connecting any of those dots in there. And if we connected these 2 dots here, this end of this line would not be able to close back onto the other part of the line, creating a closed loop. So because there's an X there, so we know we can't go here either. And also the 1, it wouldn't go here. So in between the 1s, there are no lines. On the edge there, no line. In between the 1 and the 2, we'll wait for that. Okay, 3 could go either way. I know it goes down, so 3 around that, 2, and 2 all the way down. For these 2's, we get a bottom left corner for this 2. And here's a 3. And 2 parallel lines for that 2. For that 2, we have a bottom right corner. Go up to this 2, and we're at the top left corner. We got another top left corner with that 2. And these 2's here have a parallel line above and below, so they have a 2. We have a top right corner there. So top left corner, another top left corner for that 2. bottom right corner for that too. And go up to here, over, and this 3 has 3, this 3 has 3, at the top left corner for that too. So this one has a line surrounding it, 1, 1, 2, 2. So you can double check your solution like that. This one is only touching one line, 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines. So there's your solution for this map loop puzzle.